Hello and welcome back to Nutritionist's Recipes with Olivia Vitalix. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple but powerful drink that can help you feel strong, energetic, and confident, even as you grow older. This natural mix combines coffee, honey, citrus, and ginger to support circulation, boost energy, and promote overall wellness. It's perfect for starting your morning or powering through a busy day. Let's begin with 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. Coffee is known to wake up your body, sharpen focus, and encourage healthy circulation, an essential part of maintaining energy and vitality. Now add 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey provides natural sweetness, supports the immune system, and is rich in minerals that help balance hormones and overall health. Together, they create a smooth, energizing base. Next, let's bring in some citrus. Take a tangerine, cut it in half, and squeeze out about 25 milliliters of juice. Tangerines are packed with vitamin C, which keeps blood flowing smoothly, supports your heart, and helps improve mood by triggering feel-good hormones. Pour the juice into the bowl with coffee and honey, and you'll notice how refreshing and bright the mixture already looks. Now it's time for ginger. Slice a small piece into tiny cubes. Ginger has been treasured for centuries for its ability to improve circulation, reduce fatigue, and support digestion. Add the ginger to your mix, then pour in some warm water. Stir gently until all the flavors combine into a fragrant golden drink. Just the aroma itself feels uplifting and energizing. And that's it. You've made a refreshing natural energy drink that helps boost stamina, supports circulation, and promotes vitality at any age. Enjoy this in the morning, before exercise, or anytime you need a natural pick-me-up. I'd love to hear where you're tuning in from, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more health-focused recipes. Here's to staying strong, energized, and healthy, no matter your age.